I have to go out for an errand. And okay, please excuse those sounds. There's some renovation going on. It's not me. I will still make the video. Wait. So I'm going to go out quickly for something where I don't need to have too much makeup. I'm not going to put concealer, studio fix. Just fix my face a bit. Mhm. Again, that farting sound will come. Some renovation going on in my apartment somewhere. Every time I talk, it will happen. See? Okay. Little quick kajal. So this is the color bar, just black 001, just smoky kajal. It's very nice. It's uh, kajal on one side and there's a smudgy brush. So let's use it. Keeps life easy. Put a bit of it inside and some of it outside. Enough. See how a little makeup makes a difference? Now I want to open the other side and smudge it out. I don't think I'm going to use mascara. I think this is enough. There again. I will surely set my eyebrows. No eyeshadow also. Like I said, it's my going for an errand look. Then I'm going to, of course, some lipstick. Lip liner, nude lip liner. Lip liner plum. Mm. Then I love this Lakme lipstick. It is called Lakme Enrich Matte PM14. So, because it's daytime, I'm not going to use any blush on either because it is summer. All you need is your kajal. If you can smudge it, great. I'm not using mascara. It's hot outside. There's no concealer. There's nothing. I've just highlighted my eyes and my lips. And then there's this there are the two lip liners and a lipstick. Enough. So if you are someone who doesn't want to use much and you just want to go to work because you are one of the simple ones and you like it that way, just smudge a kajal and use a nice neutral lipstick and you will be sorted. So this could be in your kit as well during summer because you really don't want to go overdressed to a workplace unless you're working in the media. That is different. But this is literally for people who are like, oh, I have to put makeup. This much you can do, right? So give it a try and let me know what you think. Also, I've decided no matter where I go, for whatever occasion, whatever makeup I do, I will share it. And that will be literally my daily look for that day. It could be a morning look, it could be a lunch look, it could be a dinner look, it could be a I'm feeling very lazy look, anything. But we will create looks for every occasion and keep it natural, simple, elegant, and glam.